Hello everybody and welcome to our Paptic open house today. My name is Tommi Lehtisalo. Here's my business card. I'm in charge in Paptic for the e-commerce and the bag applications. First of all, I will go through the list what we are talking today. So we are talking about the material and the availability of the material. And why brands should make the shift towards more reusable materials. We have recently made a Sokos customer interview about their sustainable commitment with our material and checked out the thinking behind a particular consumer's behavior. Also, we are discussing about how the bags are made, about the versatile bag application and specific benefits in different end applications. And finally, I will wrap up the talk. So Paptic Tringa is a unique packaging material combining high performance and sustainability. 100% of the fibers are cellulose based. All the additives are commonly used in paper and board manufacturing. So there are no harmful substances in production used. Our material has also the ISECA certificate for the food contact. And please keep in mind that we deliver white material unconverted in reels and sheets, starting from 45 very thin material to thicker material, even 140 GSM. We can be of help. Especially for the brands, we can connect you with the same mindset owing converters and producers. So, why make a change toward more reusable materials? Consumers will actually see the change, elevating brands' environmental awareness. And this will happen either directly replacing plastics or moving from single-use paper to more reusable and adaptive material. And the more the packaging is reused, the more the brand's environmental measures are going to the right direction. Sokos replaced all their plastic bags to Paptic Tringa. And we have recently made a consumer study supporting these findings. About case Sokos. Sokos has the widest coverage of Finnish high-quality retail chains, about 20 stores and department stores and 35 cosmetic stores. They are using about 3 million bags annually. About the study. We wanted to understand how consumers have found Paptic bags and if it has changed the way how they use the bags. Understand also if the reusability is a different thing or important thing for the customers. And last but not the least, to understand if the Sokos decision to stop using the plastic bags have had an effect on how consumers see Sokos as a sustainable brand. To summarize, we can clearly see that about 100% of the interviewed are preferring Paptic bags over plastic and paper bags. Paptic bags are liked because they have the pleasant touch and feel. They are truly reusable choice. They are a true replacement of plastics and also they look and feel great. About 97% of the interviewed said that Sokos has made the environmental shift towards more environmental direction. So we can truly say that the move to Paptic bags has had a significant impact on consumers' perception of Sokos as a sustainable brand. Okay. Couple things about how to convert this type of bags. So basically, the regular paper converting lines and production lines are used. And there are currently over 100 converting lines validated in Europe mainly. Paptic chewing-gum material has a good runnability and compatibility with the regularly used inks and adhesives. Also, use of lighter material is possible, which will also create savings in the material cost, logistics, and other possible benefits may occur. Our material is adaptive, it's water resistant and stable against high humidity conditions and external stress. So perfect material for converters who struggle with the demanding production conditions. Okay, next I will show you some examples of different end uses. So first of all, we have the Sokos case for the department stores. They have the 3 sizes, S, M, L. They are truly reusable option, easy to fold, easy to reuse. Also, in the case of letting the bag be in contact with water, say wet asphalt, it dries easily and it also keeps its form. Then of course we have other possibilities for the converters. They can also made similar kind of bags with the flat handles. So this is just one example of these. And these type of bags are also highly reusable and foldable. Then we have also Paptic bag, which is a combination of our material and a new way of making a bag. So to speak, bottomless bag combined with the flat handles. And this will also save packaging. So instead of 5 boxes, you can use 3 boxes for the same amount of the bags. And this is truly also a very reusable solution. Easy to pack. The more you use it, the softer it will become. Okay, then I will show you some luxury items and about Paptic as a material. What is different compared to paper is that it can be sewn. So it's easy to make, for example, high quality tote bags to replace the non-woven materials. Different styles, everything is possible. The handles you like, also made from Paptic chewing-gum. All kinds of very high quality bottle bags are possible to have a unique feeling, reusable structures. And of course also gift bags. So our material works in an optimum way if you even print it in a soft finish to make a really premium, nice and soft gift bag. Okay, still about the pouches. Not just that it can be sewn, it can be also used in the string bags material. Here you can see the moving bag, very famous example, where you can put the glass in and close it. Or you can use it for other small items. Different sizes, of course, possible and truly a reusable product. Then, of course, the softer material, like here, 45 GSM, can be easily used with the reusable sticker also. You can use the sticker. This is made now from Paptic chewing-gum as well. Paptic chewing-gum 125 Lux grade. Easy to reuse with the reusable glue. Easy to close and use again. Very warm, soft, flexible. Okay, so start to think of it. I mean, 45, this may be the lowest we can go today, but still if you think about replacing the polybags, for example. Okay, now this is now a 60 packed in, but okay, maybe, this could be future as well. So we have quite promising projects in order to replace also the thick polybags. So the converters can really pack, or producers can pack the items to Paptic material. And of course, this could be done also with Paptic cavia if it requires to be fully heat sealable material as such. Okay, to wrap up things, what we discussed today. So Paptic stringer is a truly new cellulose fiber-based material enabling reusability. We have gone through the case Sokos, which really shows that the brand value and ecological awareness increased in consumer eyes. Paptic stringer is alternative or replacement for plastics or single-use paper products. And of course, reusability is the key, and therefore also higher material efficiency. Paptic is a truly adaptive material. The more you use it, the better it feels. And of course, the smaller the carbon footprint and bigger the positive environmental handprint for the brand will be. Thank you. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for any questions. Cheers.